way to go pick up our brand new falcons from the Dubai Falcon Hospital. They just had a health check, so we'll see how it's went. Take the lure in the air, see what's his response coming to the lure. Hopefully his weight is good. Okay. Maverick first show today. We'll see how he's going to fly in front of a group of about 200 kids today. So he's been flying free the last week, so it's quite a big nervous day and see how he's going to respond to the crowd. Not too bad for his first flight. You can still see he's a little bit unsure about the wing. He didn't have his brakes on there with the one, but otherwise did quite well.